Welcome to the ultimate field guide for EMS medical emergencies. Master Pre-Hospital Medicine with the EMS Medical Conditions playlist by Pre-Hospitalist Rain. Whether you're a paramedic student prepping for the NREMT, an EMT brushing up on your assessment skills, or a seasoned medic looking to sharpen your clinical judgment, this playlist has you covered. We break down complex pathophysiology, signs and symptoms, and field interventions into actionable, real-world knowledge. This collection features comprehensive, easy-to-understand videos covering the most critical medical emergencies encountered by EMTs and paramedics. Learn how to confidently assess, differentiate, and treat cardiovascular, respiratory, neurological, and endocrine emergencies in the field. Topics covered include cardiac conditions, respiratory diagnoses, altered mental status and stroke types, sepsis, anaphylaxis, toxicological emergencies, and more.